Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel SANJ Designs, where I'm building a 6-car smart garage. Cement trucks just arrived, and in this video we're going to be showing you how they're going to be pouring 100 tons of concrete into the slab, how they're going to pour it, how they're going to level it, and how they're going to get a perfect finish. Stay tuned and see how it's done. So welcome back to the build. It's day 15. It's 7:30 on a Monday morning, which is way too early for me. But the guys from J&S Piling are back here, and today they are going to be starting each step to make sure that we get the right foundations, get the concrete poured, get it nice and leveled, and get a nice finish. Okay, so the first stage is the guys are putting these little pegs in. You see them right now. And what these are markers that make sure the concrete is nice and level across the entire base. So they're just marking it up, and then they're going to use that almost as a datum point across the whole of the slab to make sure it's all level, it's all neat, and it's all tidy, and it's all exactly how we want it. So cement mix has just arrived, backing up to the hopper, backing up to the pump. They're going to be pouring, there's roughly about 6 to 7 cubic meters in each load. So we're probably going to need 6 to 7 loads coming in. So that's going to be pretty much most of the morning. So we've also hired in a pump. And that's going to transfer concrete mixer straight onto the slab. That means we get a nice even flow across the whole area. See now the concrete pump, the amount of extension it's got, that's more than enough for what we're going to need down onto the slab. Great bit of kit. We've also moved the cars because you don't want concrete splashes on your car, because trust me, that's never going to come off. So it's pumped from there all the way to the top. Right, so the guys are just levelling it off now. Now what Courtney's doing, poured, and he's just going to tap it down to get a a nice levelish finish. Taking his time, and that makes sure everything's nice and neat and tidy. And that's obviously not the finished floor yet, there is more to go, which will show you coming up. So it's just starting to easy float it. Got a super long handle. There. Float it gently off the slab. Gives it a smooth finish. Right, so the second load's just arrived. And then we're going to repeat the process all over again. So we've now got the last load going in, and that's 7 loads in total. So probably about another 10-15 minutes before this section of the build is actually done. But it's looking fantastic so far. Still very wet. Just getting rid of surface water, and then we're going to get ready for power floating. So that is the first stage. All the concrete's gone in, leveled off. Now you see these little lines and marks, snail trails, and they'll be lifted off, smoothed off with a power float. So the guys are now done. They've done it, laid it, easy floated it, and the next stage is power floating. So Gary, welcome back. Right, tell us what power floating is about and why we're doing it.
Hi guys, good to see you again. We are going for a power float finish. Specific reason, it just gives you a lovely, nice, polished finish. You can tile over it or not. It's that choice.
So there we go, that's 100 tons of concrete, poured, laid and finished. Looks fantastic, so can't wait for the garage to be built. So stay tuned, next video Gary's going to be talking about block work, in particularly laying the damp proof course. So hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.